Ungqongqoshe wezezisebenzi nokuqashwa kwazo uThulas Nxesi uthi umhlangano wabo obandakanya ongqongqoshe beminyango kahulumeni kanye nabemboni yezokuthuthwa kwempahla ngamaloli uthole ukuthi ukushayela amaloli akusilo ikhono eliyimvela kancane kulelizwe nokuphikisana nalokhu obekulokhu kushiwo ilemboni. Nxesi ubelandisa beindaba ngokuhlaluke emhlanganweni wayizolo kulandela umbhikisho wabashayeli bamaloli abavale umgwaqo uN3 bekhala ngokuqashwa kwabashayeli bokufika.
While some operators have asserted that South Africa lacked skilled truck drivers, the inspection and law enforcement operations have found that truck driving was an abundant skill in South Africa and therefore not a scarce skill as purported by some of the operators. So the Department of Home Affairs reported that it had conducted over 21 joint multidisciplinary law enforcement operations and inspections to assess the extent of the use of the foreign and at times illegal truck drivers.
I'm very happy today that we are gathered here and agreeing as South Africans on how we are going to run our country and how we are going to do things. I'm particularly encouraged and happy by the emphasis by all and sundry that we must respect the laws of the country, because some of these problems which have emerged are because there are some people who don't want to respect the law. The laws are there and they just ignore them and then form a crisis and then start asking questions, where is the government when the laws, when they are deliberately breaking the laws.
I think when we remember this day, when Father's Day comes next year, I think we will have done important work. We now commit ourselves to the implementation of this 11-point plan. We have had govern and the business which says that they will never agree to that. Everybody started with that militance of not agreeing.
These things must be implemented. And these things, as are actioned going forward, let the people of South Africa go.
Sibonge kakhulu ke nedocument ephumile sithemba ukuthi ayizohlala ke ingayiforce ekuthini isebenze ngoba lokho ikona okugcina kusibuyisela kuleli sigalele sikulona esimeni ke sabashayeli ukugcina kwabo.